Well, hello everybody. Guess what we're doing today? Both of them are running. There's sight glasses there. Got nice hot refrigerant going through, but it's not cooling the hallway. Oh snap. Why? Snap. Okay, right off the bat, freezing up right off the TXV on circuit 1. Sometimes you can just tap on them, right? And they'll do their thing. Is that how that works? No, I didn't think so. The filters are not that bad despite what the video camera is looking at here. It really is not. I've seen them worse than this and those things work. I mean, so they do need to be changed here in a bit. But it looks like it's freezing up because now there's water. There's water down here in the filter section. Or that big storm that rolled through somehow got water in here. That's not cool. And it's not cooling. So it's freezing up right off of the TXV. So again, it's not something I can fix. Gummit. Just out of hopes that that would work, but I doubt it. I doubt that would work. I doubt that would work. But as I come up here on the roof all the time, guys, y'all already know this. We are going to check all the units. We got fans. Check. I don't even think, you know, they came out and did anything with these units. I think they did the VFD. Yeah. They replaced this motor. They did. This is an update, I guess, video. It's running. It's doing everything it's supposed to be doing. For once. Compressor's running. Very quiet compressor, actually. So this thing's happy. See if they changed a yes, they did. Yeah, this is working also. VFD's working. I hear it loading and unloading right now. Uh-oh. Why is that solenoid coil just sitting on top? Look at that. Where's the screw at? It's supposed to go in it. Gosh, dog it, man. Is that's probably the screw right there for it. I bet you money. They're like, no, that thing will work just like that. See? What is it? Compressor solenoid. Take it off. What the hell? Well, it's loading and unloading like it's supposed to. 62, 60, that's the screw for it. Rusted off, and doesn't look like anybody took it out of there. It just, my God, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, it is that thing. It is this solenoid clicking and unclicking. It's 120, no, it's 24 volts, so I don't have to worry about getting totally electrocuted, but wow, okay, well, I don't know. I mean, that's all I'm gonna do with it. So they just changed the blower motor in this, and now the solenoids is just sitting on top of this hot gas revalve, or whatever you want to call it. I can't really get a screwdriver in there, so see what I can get in there. No, I can't even get this in there. Definitely need just a flat bladed wrench, open end wrench for that. So, more Aaon problems? Well, yep, more Aaon problems. Don't have this many problems with other units. That's probably just going, screw it. It's working though. Not right, but it's working. So that'll be all right. I don't think that thing's gonna fall off or anything. Belt looks a little floppy, but not bad. And that outdoor filter is definitely not looking good either. So, but these are all working, even though somebody likes their V8 in there. Chris, I'm on to you, buddy. Just kidding. So, yeah, this one's working. So yeah, we got the kitchen one's working. It's nice and cool there. It's cool everywhere except for in the hallway. Like, so this one, it's got water built up in it and it's freezing up. I bet you it's a TXV, man. But look, holy crap. Maybe it just turned off. It did, yeah. It turned off, so it thawed out. This is not cool. So, oh, it's still going. Well, one compressor. Okay, so it's this compressor that's doing that. So yeah, that was that screw on that other one. So I mean, if I want to do it right, you need to find a screw like that. Probably take it off of one of our old P-packs. But this circuit, there it goes, came back on again. Not working right. This circuit is probably going into high head or low pressure kill switch. No, low pressure. This is the for the high head pressure switch. Obviously, it says it right there. But yeah, I bet it might be tripping out on low, or it might be pumping itself down. I'm not really sure. It's like the gas reheat. This is stuck because it's not going through here. There we go. See, there you go. Tap, tap, tap. Yep. Thing just cut off. It's hot as fire. Yep, I bet it's cutting off one. Like low pressure, but you heard it when I tapped that. There's a small valve in here. Could have got stuck or something, but we'll stay up here and babysit these two for just a second. I mean, this one, just for a second. I think this one's supposed to be doing something. I'm just gonna make sure it is. But yeah, right now this one compressor is trying to cool as much as it can. And this one, when it stabilizes, it'll kick back on. But it was almost like it was just bypassed. The hot air is bypassed because nothing was happening in the sight glass. I don't know. Guys. If I did this every day for a living, you know, like if I did air conditioning for a living, First of all, I don't want to be that guy that does air conditioning. I don't even want to be up here right now. So yeah, see, this circuit's working fine. That one with the unloader on it is not. And when it does work, it starts freezing up. Yep. We'll see if the tap worked or whatever. It came back on. I don't think that did anything. There it goes. There it goes, look. Now it's going. I didn't hear a kadoosh or anything. I don't expect to hear one, but this reheat valve right here might be bad. This little guy right here might be. Something I would check if I was in here, you know. Since I don't have another one and there's no point in like ripping this thing apart. All we're gonna do is call the AC company. But there we go. Yeah, these things constantly have to be babysit, guys. I'm sorry. Nothing you can really. It's staying on longer than it was before. Before it went right off. So and we got some refrigerant flowing through there. So I don't know. I don't know. Let's go take a look at the other one. We'll come back to this one and see if there's something going wrong with that, or maybe that did it. You know, if I can just tap on a valve and shit. We got new filters in here. There's no filters in here. Yeah, there's one filter, and that heat well is dirty as hell. I'll tell you something about this heat well. Got a belt replacement on this thing, and no, looks like really needs a good hoser. So this one's probably working. Yeah, it's probably satisfied actually right now. Filters don't look that bad. Again, you know, guys, when you're dealing with these units, it's always good just to go around every one of them. Keep doing what you do. I mean, both circuits are working here, so you can expect one circuit to cut off, like I guess when it gets close to its temperature. Crap! This is a makeup air unit. Same thing though, it's just an air conditioner. See how that's rusted in there. So, solenoid. Yep. Be babysit. Look at that. There you go. Why do you have a leak downstairs? I don't know. Why are the filters wet? I don't know. Why is the drain clogged? I don't know. Oh. Dang, damn it. Come on, open up. Well, that's not cool. Let's see if I can get the drain unclogged over there. because you really can't even get to the drain to unclog these, because you know you got to take all that apart. You got to turn the whole thing off. I do a whole bunch of dumb crap, but somebody figured that they would hook this back up into this long trace. Well, there was a reason why it wasn't hooked up. Now you're gonna find out. All the ceiling tiles that you're gonna have to replace. So I'll show you something. It's gonna make a P-trap. It's not gonna be able to suck air. Putting it at an angle like this until I can get, well, it's got a P-trap, so fuck it. There. So it's got a P-trap, so it's not gonna harm anything. But this gets full of jelly. Sitting here in the sun, these tracks, they get full of jelly. I don't. Or it's clogged. There's too much water in there for this thing to be like doing that. Let's see what we can do here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Black stuff in there. All sorts of raunchy shit. Jeff, where are your gloves? Need some water to get filled up in this P-trap, so what I'm gonna do, put your hand over it, let it go, put your hand over it, let it go, put your hand over it, let it go, put your hand over it, let it go. Come on. There you go. Fill up the P-trap. There it goes. See, you just gotta be up here and just get nitty gritty with it. I'm gonna leave this one undone for now. Keep that to the side. Let her drain out. So, all right, next. What's the next problem we can find? No, most of this is preventive maintenance. See, this one's like already been unhooked. Somebody broke the P-trap, I guess. So, and we still have these pressure sprayers with God knows what's in them. While I'm up here, preventive maintenance stuff. Somebody just put a P-trap on here and they didn't have the sliminess, dude. Such a long pipe in these things too. It's not cool. Let's get this one to drain too. Cross there. Cross through it. hold your hand till water starts flowing out. I know you got the that feels so good, that cold water. Oh my god. These things remove so much moisture from the air. It's crazy. I should wash off some of this shit on my hands. Y'all getting moist as well. There's something on my lens now. Oh, that's cool. It's on the inside. Yeah, that thing's doing well just as well. Every time we hook up these big long lines, guys, it starts off with replacing roofing tiles downstairs, leaks, and just can't get up to them to do them or whatever. But yeah, that drained down. That pan has drained down some now. So that one's doing its thing. So we just did these two. This one's working. This one was questionable with the freeze up on the TXV. Just double check that, and then I'm gonna be going home here soon. So, oh no, it came back on, but it's still frozen. It's freezing up. I don't know what that could be. Low on charge, whatever. Y'all take your guess of what this is in the comment section below. Just you know, crap. That's running again. This one's hot as fire. This one's not that hot, but so I bet you we got a these are notorious to leak out the unloader and loading part of it, are these factory welds that they do. They leak here, 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 stuff like that. So nice Copeland scrolls, but you know, the last one leaked around the bypass, like over here. We had to replace the whole compressor. So the hot air bypass, or whatever you want to call that, the unloader, basically. Guys, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. I guess I can't do anything about this one. This is for a haul, and I walked through the haul. It's like, okay, well, it's hot as hell in here. What's going on? So could be, you know what, it could be freezing up because these are just packed full of, look at that. Yeah, probably could be just that. These I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna get them hosed down. All these pre-filters, new filters, everything. That'll probably be the next video. Until then, guys, it's been 23 minutes. So y'all stay safe. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Yet again, looking for the problems with the Aeons, but most of it I've found out is our problems. And those two have been fixed. So we're back up and running again. Until next time, I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a great day and stay safe. I got to have my way.